The last real Honda? You tell me. I'm doing an oil change on this 2012 Accord and it got me thinking, is this the last true Honda that they made? Now, I'm not talking motorcycles, I'm only talking automobiles, but I have to say that Honda was known for making bulletproof four-cylinder engines, and I would have to say that the four-cylinder Honda Accord would be considered their flagship. And in my opinion, the best engine they made was the four-cylinder K24 engine like we have right here. This one is naturally aspirated. It doesn't have any turbo in it like they put on later vehicles. It does not have direct injection like they put on later engines. Of course, it's not a hybrid, it's not electric, none of that stuff. Just a standard gasoline engine. And after this year, at least for four-cylinder models, instead of an automatic transmission like this conventional one here, they started putting CVTs. And this one has a good old-fashioned power steering pump. No electric power steering here. This is a vacuum-operated brake booster. No electric brake booster here. And no electric rear parking brakes. It has a reliable R134A AC system. We don't have a start-stop system on this thing. This was just a basic four-cylinder sedan. These Accords are reliable. They were pretty affordable when they were brand new, and they actually have a trunk. They don't have some funny-looking hatchback. So what do you think? Is this the last of the real Hondas that they were known for manufacturing, or am I missing something? Let me know in the comments. I want to hear what you guys think. Well, those are my thoughts on the subject. Now I got to go ahead and finish the oil change on this thing. And as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.